New World of Work offers multiple options to those interested in teaching or learning the top 10 employability skills, from free resources to trainings and workshops, all designed to create a shared understanding of the essential skills we need to thrive in our changing workforce.
The New World of Work program focuses on primary components, one being the curriculum, and that focuses on the essential employability skills, and it's the full cohort that anyone needs to teach that content. So it's the curriculum, it's the lesson plans, videos. There's also a training component, so that individuals who want to go out and teach this in courses, in workshops, in community partnerships are able to do so by practicing ahead of time, getting to really have that hands-on experience with it.
Trainings are run across the state of California as well as upon request nationally and internationally. The program has a network of trainers who are dedicated to promoting personal and professional development.
I have a passion for helping build skills and bring people the ability to feel not only successful in their work but in life, and I felt like when I saw the top 10 list was like, yes, these are exactly those skills and qualities that really contribute to who we are as people and how we show up in the world. Being the lead trainer, I'm out in the field and I'm getting to interact and engage with all of the potential instructors and who they'll be delivering to the learners. And so I really feel like I get to bring both my knowledge of the industry and the importance of these skills, but also help them develop their own understanding of it. So it's a win-win just all around.
The goal was to provide free resources for the program, but what we found is that instructors really benefited by receiving additional guidance on using the curriculum and also having access to multiple resources that they could use in the classroom.
These additional resources include assessment and digital badge strategies to enhance learning and to showcase skills development.
And then the other component that we're looking at is assessments, and we're using a very innovative approach by partnering with partners like the Foundation for California Community Colleges as well as Badger to create digital badge assessments. And those are micro-credentials that are highly portable, can be put on different profiles online, including LinkedIn, and it really gives a currency so that learners can go out and have that in the workforce.
I think digital badges can be used by employers to really suss out not just knowledge attainment, but skill verification. So there's the concept of, I can say that I know how to do something because I've read about it and I've learned about it, but there's the transition between knowledge and understanding when you actually are doing the type of work that a badge can demonstrate. And it allows you to have a marker for, hey, I was able to accomplish this. I was able to be validated by either an employer or by an instructor that I have these skills and can bring them to the table for employers.
New World of Work is creating an ecosystem of instructors, learners, and employers all tied together through the value of our human skills.
The program has been funded through the state of California and the California Community College Chancellor's Office, which has enabled the program not only to serve the entire California Community College system of 115 colleges, but also their partners. And it's really that idea that a community college serves its community. And so this content has been able to spread from not only the colleges, but also out into their partnerships and their community organizations, their workforce development boards. It really creates a cohesive movement within the regions across the state.